Chipmunks are small rodents that live in North America and Eurasia. Chipmunk behavior is associated with their playful and curious nature, which can lead to them being pests in some cases. They are active during the day but will seek shelter at night. Chipmunks use their whiskers to explore their surroundings and can climb trees well. Chipmunks live in forests, meadows, and suburban areas. They eat a variety of foods, including seeds, nuts, fruits, and insects. Chipmunks build nests out of leaves and grasses. They typically have 4 to 5 young per litter. Chipmunks can live for up to 6 years. Chipmunks are interesting creatures because they can store large amounts of food in their cheeks to eat later. They also have 2 types of fur, a soft underfur and a longer, thicker topcoat. Chipmunks use their fur to keep warm in the winter. Chipmunks are territorial animals, and they often use scents to mark their territory. They will rub their cheeks on trees or other objects to leave their scent behind. This lets other chipmunks know that this area is taken, and they should not trespass. Chipmunks also make noise to let others know they are in the area. This can include chirping, whistling, and screeching. Chipmunks use a variety of methods to communicate with one another. They use vocalizations, postures, and scent marking to share information about food, danger, and territory. Vocalizations are used to warn of danger, identify individuals, and attract mates. Chipmunks make a variety of sounds including chirps, trills, and barks. Postures are used to show dominance or submission. Dominant chipmunks may stand tall with their shoulders back and head up. Submissive chipmunks may lower their head and body and pull their tail close to their body. Scent marking is used to mark territory and attract mates. Chipmunks use urine, anal glands, and saliva to leave behind scent markings. Chipmunks are omnivorous and eat a variety of foods, including nuts, fruits, seeds, and insects. They are excellent hunters and foragers. They use their sharp claws and teeth to dig for food underground, and they can also climb trees to find fruit and nuts. Chipmunks also eat a lot of insects, which they catch by raiding anthills, wasp nests, and other insect colonies. Chipmunks mate in the late winter and early spring. Chipmunk mating behavior begins with the male chipmunk searching for a female chipmunk to mate with. Once he finds a female chipmunk, he will start to chase her. If the female chipmunk is not interested in mating with the male chipmunk, she will run away. If the female chipmunk is interested in mating with the male chipmunk, she will stop and let him mate with her. When a chipmunk is pregnant, her behavior changes to prepare her for the birth of her young. One change is that she will start to hoard food. She will bury food in different locations and then remember where each stash is. This helps to ensure that she has enough food to last through the birthing process and for her young to eat after they are born. Another change in pregnant chipmunks' behavior is that they become more aggressive. They may attack other chipmunks or animals that come too close to their territory. This helps to protect their young from being harmed by potential predators. Finally, pregnant chipmunks will spend more time inside their burrows. This provides a safe place for them to give birth and care for their young. After a gestation period of about 31 to 35 days, the young are born blind, hairless, and helpless. They remain in the nest for about 4 weeks while their mother nurses them and teaches them how to find food. The young chipmunks are weaned at 6 to 8 weeks old and shortly thereafter leave the nest to establish their own territories. Although chipmunks enter a state of hibernation or one of during the winter, they can also be seen scampering around in the snow. Chipmunks can tolerate cold weather better than other animals because they have a thick layer of fur that keeps them warm. They also have a good sense of smell, which helps them find food buried in the snow. Chipmunks mainly eat seeds and nuts, but they will also eat insects and other small animals. Chipmunks have many behavioral adaptations that help them survive in their habitats. One adaptation is that chipmunks can store food in their cheeks to eat later. They also have furred tails which they use to balance when they climb trees. Chipmunks can run quickly, and they are good climbers. They are also very agile and can jump from branch to branch. Chipmunks use these behavioral adaptations to find food, escape predators, and survive in the wild. Although chipmunks may seem like wild animals, they can be quite friendly to humans. In fact, many people enjoy feeding chipmunks in their backyard. Chipmunks typically won't bite unless they feel threatened, and they can be easily hand-fed. They love a variety of foods, such as seeds, nuts, berries, and insects. When fed properly, chipmunks will often greet humans by coming close to them and even climbing on them. Chipmunks are very active creatures and tend to be nervous in new environments. In captivity, they may be hesitant to explore their surroundings at first, but will eventually become more comfortable. Chipmunks typically spend most of their time running and climbing, so providing them with plenty of space to move around is important. They also enjoy hiding in small spaces, so provide them with a variety of toys and objects to play with and climb on. Chipmunks require a lot of stimulation and should be given something new to explore every day. In summary, chipmunks are interesting creatures that exhibit a variety of behaviors. While some of their behaviors may be considered cute, others can be viewed as pests. Chipmunks can be fun to watch, but it is important to remember to keep a safe distance and not feed them.